In this session, we will learn about some important concepts in Rust, which makes Rust more power. First, understanding ownership. It enables Rust to make memory safety guarantees without needing a garbage collector. What is ownership? It's a set of rules that governs how a Rust program manages memory. And it's a compiler check. If any rules violated, the program won't compile. Ownership won't slow down the program running. Instead, it increases fast and efficiency and safety. And other memory management schemes are number 1, using garbage collector, and number 2 is explicitly or manually allocate and deallocate memory. Okay, what is garbage collection or collector? Garbage collection is a form of automatic memory management. Garbage is a memory space which was allocated by the program, but it is no longer referenced and it is already used. The garbage collector attempts to reclaim those used and non-referenced memory spaces. Garbage collection is used to simplify manual memory management. Some of the languages that uses garbage collector are C#, Java, Python, Perl, JavaScript, Node.js, and many more. Some of the languages that uses manual memory management are C, C++, Lisp, COBOL, Fortran, Pascal, and many more. Now let us compare some memory management schemes. First, garbage collection. The pros of the garbage collection are it's error free because it's done by automatic routines and faster write time, whereas some of the disadvantages are there's no control over memory and slower and unpredictable runtime performance, and it leads larger program size. And next, manual memory management scheme. Some advantages are we have control over memory and faster runtime and smaller program size, and disadvantages are there may be error prone and some smaller write time. Next, ownership model. The advantages are we have full control over memory and it's error free, and faster in runtime and smaller in program size. And the disadvantages are slower write time but there's no error prone and slower learning curve. After that it gives more confident. For beginners they must fight with borrow checker. This makes very bore, but once they understand it, it makes them expert.